Cassava farming secrets, step-by-step guide. Step number 2, variety selection and improved genetics. These are sustainable techniques that increase yields by 70% while cutting costs by 50%. Let's look at understanding the revolution in cassava breeding. The transformation in cassava farming over the past 20 to 30 years has been driven significantly by remarkable advantages in cassava breeding, producing improved varieties that combine disease resistance with dramatically higher yields, better nutritional quality, improved processing characteristics, and adaptation to diverse environments. Yet millions of farmers continue growing unimproved local varieties because they lack access to or are unaware of improved varieties. They don't understand the enormous yield and income benefits, or resist change, preferring similar varieties despite their limitations. Modern improved cassava varieties developed by IITA or CIAT and national breeding programs address multiple constraints simultaneously: resistance or tolerance to cassava mosaic disease, cassava brown streak disease, reducing losses from typical 40 to 80% to between 5 to 15% or even loss. Yield potential of between 25 to 40 tons per hectare under good management compared to between 8 to 12 tons from an improved variety. Higher dry matter content of between 35 to 40% versus between 28 to 32% for local varieties, meaning more starch per ton and better processing quality. Better root quality with reduced post-harvest physiological deterioration, extending shelf life, improved nutrition traits including provitamin A fortification, addressing vitamin A deficiency, and maturity options for early variety between 8 to 10 months to late varieties of between 12 to 18 months, allowing harvest flexibility. The economic impact of variety choice is profound. Planting improved disease-resistant, high-yielding variety instead of local susceptible variety can increase yields by between 100 to 200%, from 10 tons to between 25 to 30 tons per hectare, while reducing production risk from diseases, generating additional revenue of between $1,200 to $2,400 per hectare from identical management, land, and labor. The variety choice alone determines whether farming is subsistence survival or profitable enterprise. The investment in improved varieties is modest. Certified stems of improved varieties cost between $50 to $150 per hectare, while returns are enormous, additional between $1,200 to $2,400 from increased yields, providing payback of between 8 to 15 times investment in a single season, with continuing benefits in subsequent seasons as you multiply your own planting material from the improved varieties. Therefore, let's look at selecting and adopting improved varieties. Research varieties available in your country through agricultural extension services, research stations, farmer cooperatives, or cassava improvement programs, focusing on varieties with documented resistance to major diseases in your regions, like CMV and CBSV in East Africa, CMV primarily in West Africa and Asia, bacterial blight in various regions, high yield potential validated through multi-location trials, good root quality including high dry matter content and low post-harvest deterioration, and appropriate maturity matching your farming system. Early varieties for intensive systems of food security. Late varieties for flexibility and staggered harvesting. Major improved varieties that have transformed cassava production include TME 419, NASE 3, NASE 14, TMS 30572, TMS 30001. I repeat, TMS 30001. I repeat, TMS 30001. Kibaha, Kiroba, and many others. Bred for specific regions. Consult local agricultural advisors for recommendations suited to your specific agroecological zone. Obtain improved variety planting material through certified seed multiplication programs. Government agricultural stations offering improved varieties at subsidized prices. Cassava investment projects distributing materials to farmers. NGO programs promoting improved varieties, or farmer-to-farmer exchanges once improved varieties established in your community. Verify that you are achieving the correct variety. Mislabeling is common. Inspect material from disease-free and quality for disease-free and quality, and establish a multiplication plot specifically to generate planting material for expanding your improved variety adaptation across your farm over between 2 to 3 seasons. 1,000 plants grown from planting material can provide between 10,000 to 15,000 cuttings, enough to plant between 4 to 6 hectares the following season. Many successful farmers adopt a progressive replacement strategy. Plant 25% of cassava area with improved variety year 1 using purchased or obtained planting material. Multiply that material, producing enough for between 50 to 75% of area year 2, and achieving 100% improved variety adaptation by year 3, progressively capturing benefits while spreading costs over multiple seasons. Cassava Farming Secrets Step-by-Step Guide. Step number 3. Optimal land preparation and planting. Click on the link on the description below to watch this inspiring step. Thank you.